Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing great in your lives, no matter where you are. And today I'm going to be giving you something really unique, which is fixing any Windows error with these commands. When your PC is not working, or misbehaving, or trying to betray you, or just going crazy, or giving you warning signs. Just for safekeeping, you can do it also. So, without further ado, let's get started. And please keep in mind that follow exactly what you see on the screen, and the first step will take a little while and the second one a little longer. So I'm going to skip both the process, to save your valuable time. And at the end, I'm going to share with you what is it all about. Okay, now let me quickly explain what these commands actually do to the PC. Number one, SFC space forward slash scan now. What this one does, it scans Windows system files, finds corrupted or missing files, and automatically repairs them. Number two, DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. What this one does, it repairs Windows system image, downloads clean files from Microsoft servers, and fixes deeper issues that SFC can't fix. how they work together. This is really important. Think of it like this: DISM fixes the repair system, SFC fixes the actual files. I hope this will help a lot of you out there who are into some kind of trouble. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon and share your comments. If you are into any trouble, I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and bye for now.